Hello, my friends. Welcome on BEP Drawing Easy for Kids. Today we're going to draw Pocoyo and Pato. I draw his eyes, his nose, and his smiling. Then I draw the shape of his head. He is wearing a hat. I draw his arms. I draw his body. I draw his hand. I draw his legs. Let's draw Pato. I draw his big eyes and a hat on his head. I draw his beak, his neck. I draw his wings. Then I draw his two legs.
Exploring wonders every day. He claps his hands
and I'm going to draw a blackboard.
The best in town. Pocoyo and Pato hand in hand. The greatest bodies in all the land. Through fields of flowers and skies so blue, their friendship shines forever true. Pocoyo in his world so bright blue clothes. He claps his hands and spins around, a happy smile, the best in town. Pocoyo and Pato hand in hand. The greatest bodies in all the land. Through fields of
Let's start coloring with red, then with blue.
forever true. Pocoyo in his world so bright blue clothes. Building castles in the sand, imaginations run wild and grand. With buckets small and shovels bright, they create their world with pure delight. Towers tall and moats so wide, their sandcastle kingdom fills their
Black, yellow,
hide and seek and peek.
cream,
Giggles echo the whole day through. Pato hides behind a tree. Pocoyo counts 1, 2,
green,
3. With city faces full of cheer. Their
Yellow.
laughter rings out loud and clear. Pocoyo and Pato hand. The greatest bodies in all the land. Through fields of
Orange.
flowers and skies so blue, their friendship shines forever true. Up in the sky, a fluffy cloud.
jade blue color,
Pocoyo points and
Brown.
shouts out loud. Look, Pato, it's a dinosaur. Pato quacks or maybe more. Their minds take flight with shapes so strange. In their cloud world, things so lit in colors, red and green. The brightest sights they've ever seen. Blue like the sky and yellow like
forest
the
green
sun.
color,
Mixing colors is so much fun. They paint a rainbow side by side, sharing their art with joyful pride. Pocoyo and Pato, hand in hand.
Thank you for watching.